Okay, winner, winner, chicken dinner. Let's take a look at this one. What do we have? Oh, I love it. Look at it. Oh, this is so stylish. Oh my goodness. Wow. And I intentionally want to have a red bottom. And this is water repellent. And the tip is not very, very thin. And it is not that super thin, super slender one. This one fits to a more comfortable shoe, more not only those a la mode style. Oh wow! Oh yeah, the bottom you do not take it out. It sticks to it. Let me try it. Oh, I love this red. Oh yeah, it's fancy. I was thinking this is just red. Actually, there is some design. Make it quite interesting. I wear size 39 or 8, 8.5. Let me try. Oh my goodness, this is so very comfortable. So comfortable. And very easy to put on, very easy to take it out. It's very, very comfortable. And it's relatively soft, but not too soft, because this is supposed to this is not ballet shoes for too flexible walking. It does have a little bit of weight, but not heavy. Oh, I love it. Yeah. If you like it, I will do an outfit of the day to try it on. And it's so comfortable. Yeah, the description, under the description you will find the product link, and you get a good discount of it. Anyway, I just love it. I love this red bottom. It's a little bit like a Louboutin. Christian Louboutin, un tout petit peu. Voilà, c'est ça. Oh, beautiful. Look at it. So beautiful. So elegant. Vivaia. Vivaia. I love it. I love it. Love it. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Cuckoo, bye bye. Okay. It's the middle of the night. You can hear the cricket sound. Tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, I will do outfit of the day, so that you can see them. Bye bye, friends.